It began to open up like a geometric flower so that it now presented 16 screens, 4 facing each wall of the room. An instant later, they all flickered into life, the images bright, like a mechanical iris. The thing was lying on its side, one of its wings flapping weakly, the other entirely still, its back opened up, 2 doors sliding out of sight. Its wings were then raised and folded and slid with perfect accuracy into the opening, and its back closed up again.
It's called an ornithopter. And what that means, that comes from ornithology, study of birds, real birds, and that means flapping wings. So it's a mechanical flapping wing flying machine. We picked the hummingbird because it was about the right size and it had the right type of flying characteristics. So it can fly forward, backward, up, down, rotate, it can hover, it can fly fast.
She brought her pillows from the bed and lay down next to the hall door. Then she tied the other end of her makeshift rope to her ankle. Now, as she moved away from her spot by her end of the table, the lamp would be tugged off its resting place and crashed to the floor a few feet away.